Most people think Warren Buffett made billions picking stocks. But his most important investment wasn't Apple, wasn't Coca-Cola. It was a small chocolate company. And it completely changed his strategy forever. Today, I'm breaking down the real reason Buffett bought See's Candies, and why this one sweet deal helped build Berkshire Hathaway into the giant it is today. The deal that changed Buffett's brain. Back in 1972, Buffett was still the classic cigar butt investor, buying ugly, neglected companies just because they were cheap. Then Charlie Munger dragged him into a meeting with See's Candies. The numbers weren't cheap enough for Buffett. But the brand? The loyalty? The line of customers stretching around the block every Christmas? Munger told Buffett, "This is what a great business looks like," and Buffett finally agreed. A money machine disguised as a candy shop. People didn't buy See's because it was cheap. They bought it because it was See's. The business barely needed to reinvest in growth, yet it threw off huge amounts of free cash year after year. Buffett realized he could use See's profits to fund other investments, almost like a financial engine hidden inside a chocolate box. Pricing power, Buffett's favorite superpower. Every year, See's raised prices just a bit, and customers still lined up. Buffett said, "If you can raise prices without losing customers, you've got a great business." See's didn't need massive capital, didn't need new factories. It had something far more valuable: brand love, customer loyalty, repeat buyers. Buffett called this economic goodwill, and See's had it by the truckload. The secret impact: funding Buffett's future. Here's the crazy part. See's produced hundreds of millions in extra cash, and Buffett used that money to buy more great businesses. See's became the small snowball that helped push the massive snowball Berkshire became. Buffett later said, "See's Candies taught me the difference between a good business and a great one." Without See's, Buffett might never have invested in Coca-Cola, Apple, or many of his biggest winners. The numbers. Berkshire paid $25 million for See's. Since then, See's has generated over $2 billion in pre-tax earnings, and still growing. One tiny chocolate shop became the sweetest lesson of Buffett's entire career.